This is an Alberta emergency alert. City of Calgary has issued an overland flood alert. This alert is in effect for Calgary. Portions of Calgary communities in low-lying areas along the Bow and Elbow rivers are being evacuated immediately. Calgarians are required to leave their homes. The areas affected are the low-lying areas of Bowness and Sunnyside in Calgary's northwest. This is a mandatory evacuation. If you are in the affected area, evacuate immediately. Avoid rivers, valleys and low-lying areas. Avoid the area. Follow the directions of local authorities. Listen to local authorities for any updates. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.